Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today we'd like to talk about BMT updates, targets, a local one, and the middle term targets for BMT Bubblemaps token. Let's dive in, guys. This is the updates what I posted per first video about this token with intention accumulation pump model on a BitGet. It's still relevant. All zones absolutely relevant. I'm waiting that zones if the token dump to that zones, going to correction. Probably in August. It's hard to say about the timing. I will buy this token. So because I follow my plan, I follow my strategy. You know, it's not a gambling. If you feel comfortable now, by the way, it's a daily time frame chart. If you feel comfortable now at 8 cents, you can accumulate even now. So InfoFi projects like, for example, the Arkham, the BMT now, I think has some future, right? And definitely. I think during the next few months, if we will see the BTC dominance on the 50% or at least on the 55%, the liquidity will inflow in all sectors, and fresh new tokens, it's easy to pump. You know, that's why even when I posted the first video about a token, I guess it was here, and I don't remember, or in April or in May. Anyway, you can find how the price respect the level, you know, and we here. If you accumulate it in April, you can use the intention accumulation pump model totally for free because it's just educational content. You can find that video, watch it, and understand how to analyze the tokens with this model after listing, when we get just one single daily candle close. So after that, you could already withdraw initial deposit. This is another story what I share all the time. So after 100% profit, guys, better to reduce your risk, just withdraw initial deposit, and when the next time token dump again to your zone of interest, you can just accumulate more tokens if you have interest in it. If not, at least you will get zero risk, because the main goal is save initial deposit. After that, they increase in it. And here's was another test in May, by end of May, and pump in June. Now we drop it back, and I'm more than sure, you know, I don't want to say 100%, but we're gonna sweep this liquidity pool, this liquidity pools, and this liquidity pool. So I don't want to scare you, you know, but more than sure, this token will drop to 794, 661, 554. So 554, 447, 294, 227. This is my zone of interest, you know. With the targets for distribution is here. It's 1174, 1254, 73. This is a for swing trades. And yes, I believe in new all-time high for this token. So for example, if you will accumulate here, so for example, the price drop it to 555. You can add limit order, 4 limit orders, or 2 limit orders here and here. Your average entry will be like 369. So zone of fixation, swing trades, 243. And 800 at least, if we talk about a spot. I want to show you my indicator set data, you know, and the similar picture was with Jupiter, I guess. I want to show you the Yup. I don't remember exactly, but it looks like, yes, it looks like here formation. So but we hold the line at a long-term period at zero level. So hold the line, nobody even could imagine. So we will drop to 0.5 level fee, but we drop it, bounce it, retest it, and drop it again. That's why, guys, never say never. I'll recommend you just bet pretty same, right? But on Jupiter, we traded at zero level. But I recommend you sometimes better skip the project, skip the trade, skip the investment on the spot, you know, than just cry later, you know. There is a million tokens, and we can't invest in all of them in one time. So here, ADZ direction market mode. I highly recommend you, by the way, in education purpose, just go and double check the first video about this token. So what we can see here, this was a main accumulation on the daily. And now I'm gonna switch to weekly. Here's the April 25, the accumulation of the whales based on ADZ indicator, just one single indicator. And I got the 6 in this set. So it was in April 25, the accumulation at 744. After that, we bounce it to the distribution zone. Of course, you never catch the top, never catch the bottom, right? So better sometimes accumulate around the bottom and sell around the top, not chase catching that moment of the top. Here was the distribution. Now we're in the middle. So basically, I wish to see that one more drop. It's not about, you know, the BMT is bad project, I guess. It's about, I want to see the correction for the zone of interest. If not, I will skip this token. It's not a problem for me personally. So I wish to see that 5 cents divergency on the daily. And here, since June 10, we got accumulation based on direction indicator, another one on the daily time frame. We are in capitulation zone and disbelief on the market mood indicator, weekly time frame. What I don't like we are in the top on ADZ on the weekly time frame. This is personal for me. One more reason to see the BMT token at least at 5, 4, 2, and 2/10. So this is my point, still iffy on a market mode indicator. So guys, up to you. Accumulate or not, I follow my plan. And in validation of this idea, if the token dump on the 1 cent. So just in case. Money power indicator, guys, take a look. We at the bottom, but without any money inflow. Nice one. Not nice, but nothing bullish. Here, this was a money outflow, money inflow. Take a look. 1 to 9 cents. And we pump it to 14 cents, 60. Now we're gonna get again money inflow at 8 cents. And at the bottom, so I wish to see the drop again to another money inflow to see it on a weekly time frame. Trade on weekly time frame, no data. Daily, yes, it was so obvious. Sell, fix the profit, almost at the top. But guys, I highly recommend you, and I remind you, you can't trade just with one single indicator, for example, like trade on, because a lot of people just chase it. They see that buy, sell signals. Wow, I'm going to be rich. No, guys, these indicators are good, really, really good. All set, you can combine and integrate in your trading strategy, but the problem is we can't know, and indicators can't predict the news. For example, some announcements, some delisting, listing. For example, no one indicator could predict the upbeat listing, for example, or delisting from the Binance, which can affect just immediately. So here, buy, pump, take profit, sell, drop, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. Here was another buy signal, but it was just a tiny bounce. So now nothing, guys. Of course, you can use on different time frames, and combine it to, with your analysis, with your trading strategy. And the last indicator, guys, I want to show you the take profit indicator. What I would like to see on the daily time frame. Here, we rejected at the take profit line. So this is take profit line. This is the exit line. So this is a line where you need to fix some profit, at least withdraw initial deposit. Depends if you're entry. Here, it's a buy line on a daily. 7 cent 45 fundamental value. This is a buy line price, and this is a fundamental value. So this is the differences based on this indicator, like the price and the value of the token. And the fundamental value of the token is 5 cents 52, exactly at a 0.5 level of heap and the first zone of interest for this token. So probable scenario looks like this one, even drop a little bit lower. Consolidation, this is by the way the positive case scenario, guys. This is a positive. Negative, if we dump like this one. So this is a negative case scenario. Horrible scenario if we dump like this one on the listing price and a bit get. That's why, guys, I highly recommend you use this set integrated in your trading strategy. If we will drop to the best zone to buy, guys, fixation profit, it will be over than 1,000% gains. So good gains. On the weekly, I guess there is no data yet for take profit indicator. On 12 time frame, here, 763. So I'm more than sure we're going to test this line, just maybe even next week. And fundamental value is 5.1077. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment. What do you think about BMT in general? What do you think about Bubblemaps like a project? Write in a comment, by the way, if you watch the intuition accumulation pump model. If not, I highly recommend you find this educational video totally for free. All content always will be for free. Subscribe channel, and if you like to trade with my customer care set, link will be under the description below. 10% discount. Write me DM. See you next time, guys.